Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to upload a CV or resume to your LinkedIn profile. So to start with, you want to open up your LinkedIn account. When you're on your profile, we're going to click on your little profile picture at the top and click on settings and privacy. From there, on the left hand side, we're going to click on data privacy, and then you're going to scroll down to where you see job seeking preferences. At the top, click on job application settings, and resumes and application data will come up. So here you will see any CVs that you've already uploaded, or if you haven't got any, you can click on upload resume and upload your latest resume. If you want to delete any of them, you just click on the three dots and click on delete. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.